Alright, so today we're doing a tutorial on how to use the Kandesn face palettes. We have Sunset Rose and our Black Sand Beach palette. And we're also going to be showcasing some of our Kandesn lip palettes as well. So first, we are going to be doing a daytime look with the warm palette, also known as Sunset Rose. So this is what the palette looks like. And first, we're gonna go ahead and do our eyeshadow look and go in with this color first. So with this color, we're just going to make the foundation base of our crease. Spread this all around your lid. We're gonna go in with the darker shade and pull that in at the lower crease, and then we're gonna blend it upwards. So start at the bottom and blend up. Same with the other eye. Start at the middle, bottom. All right, so now that we finished our eyes, we're gonna go ahead and use this shade here for the contour. So you're gonna wanna use a bigger brush, and this is gonna go just beneath the cheekbone or at your cheekbone. So get up here and then blend it in. And you want to make sure you blend that all the way to your hairline. Okay. And then after that, we're going to go in with the pink shade here for the blush. So you can use a big brush for that, and you're going to start at your cheekbone and sweep out. Alright, and now you have a nice subtle blush. And then we're gonna go in with this lightest shade here and do the highlighting. So to highlight, you wanna pick up just some product, and we're gonna highlight the inner corners of the eyes here. So I'm gonna do just a bit, just to brighten it up a little bit. So just the inner corner and a little bit of the bottom lash line as well. And you can also use this shade to highlight the upper brow bone here. Good. I'm also going to go ahead and use this darkest shade here to and use an angled brush to fill in some of my eyebrow as well. Blends in seamlessly. With the other eye. Okay, so now that we have that done, we're gonna go ahead and use shade 1645 in the Kandesn lip color, and this is going to be a mauve shade. This is perfect for a daytime look because it's more of a subtle color that goes with any daytime outfit. So okay, and this is our daytime look. So now we're gonna go in and do a nighttime look with our Black Sand Beach palette. And nighttime looks are usually a lot more intense, a little darker, and so that's perfect for our Black Sand Beach palette as the shades are a lot more darker and pigmented. So first we're gonna go in with this color right here, the grayish tone for our eyeshadow to give it a smoky eye look. So we have our gray smoky eye look there, and then we're gonna go in with the shade right here with a smaller brush so that we can get a little more darker closer to the lash line, and then bring it up to create a gradient. And then we are gonna go in with the darkest shade here, the black, with an angled brush in order to give ourselves a smudged eyeliner look. So we're gonna pick up some of that product And you have to be very precise with this one. So, let's do the other eye. So now we have a smoky eyeliner look there. And then we're gonna go in again with this shade here with a bigger brush so that we can intensify the contour that we already had. So just a little bit. Same thing on the other side. And now we're gonna go in with this pink here for the blush. And as you can see, this shade is a lot more pink toned and pigmented, so it'll be a lot more prominent for our nighttime look. Make sure everything blends in. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with a more red shade lip color with shade 1647. Alright, and then we have our nighttime look, a lot more intense colors.